In this video, I'll show you step by step of how to withdraw money from your Robinhood account. So this guide will walk you through the process on both the mobile app and desktop versions to make it easy for you. Although I can't show you directly of how to withdraw it on the spot, so I'll explain every step, so listen carefully. So with the need of Robinhood help, so we'll search of how to withdraw money from Robinhood. So first, before withdrawing, confirm that any recent trades have settled. Stock trades take T plus 2 days, and then to settle, and funds from those trades will only be available after this period. So, check your buying power. So, the amount shown in your buying power includes settled and unsettled funds. So, withdrawals can only be made from settled funds. So, if you're using a mobile app, you can open the Robinhood app on your smartphone. And then, if you are on the desktop, you can visit the official website of Robinhood and log into your account. Now, if you're using a mobile app, tap the account or the person icon at the bottom right and then select transfers from the menu. And then if you are using on desktop, you can click on account in the top right corner and then select transfers from the drop down menu. Now to initiate the withdrawal, you can select your bank account. Just simply tap the transfer to your bank or similar, and then if you haven't linked a bank account yet, you'll need to add one by providing your banking details. And after that, you can enter the withdrawal amount, specify the amount you want to withdraw, and ensure it doesn't exceed your available balance. And then after that, confirm the transfer, review the details, and confirm it. And wait for the processing. So withdrawals typically take 1 to 5 business days to process, and then depending on your bank. So you'll receive a confirmation email once a withdrawal is processed, and that's it. That's how to withdraw Robinhood money. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.